Hello. So in this video, I'll be sharing how you can run DeepSeek locally in your own machine. So whatever the interactions you'll be doing with that model, all of the data, like that generated data, will remain in your machine. So it is firstly good for the privacy reasons, and also you can access DeepSeek when you are offline. So you don't really need an active internet connection. So without any further ado, I'm sorry, let's go to the process. So what you need to do is basically just download Ollama for your machine. So I'm on Mac. I'll just download it for Mac, and you can just download it like this. I'll not download it because it is already in my machine. Once you have downloaded it, then you can just basically you will get this zip file, and once you will extract it, you will get the application. And what you need to do is basically you don't need to open the application right now. Just go to the models and select DeepSeek R1. So here you are seeing some more like bunch of parameters, right? So it is basically the number of parameters on which you want to train your DeepSeek model. So, and basically this process is highly GPU intensive. So if you're not having a really good machine, then just don't go above 8 billion. You can basically use 1.5 billion parameters or 7 billions. And if you're having a good GPU, for example RTX 4090, then maybe you can go up to 14 or 32 billions. So just for testing, I'll only use 1.5 billion parameters, and then just copy this command. So let's open the terminal and paste the command. So what the command does basically, using Ollama, it runs the DeepSeek model on 1.5 billion parameters. And once you hit it, you can see we are good to go. So to try it, if I'll ask it, so can you tell me what are promises in Java script? So you can see it is very fast. Reason being, the model is running in our machine locally, right? So we are not basically sending any request to any server. We are using our own machine. So the overall process is very fast and very smooth, right? And we get a very pretty answer. By the way, yeah, it might look ugly to a few people, but just because we are running it on our terminal, through our terminal. So if you want to run it, if you want a GUI like of thing, so you can use Chatbox AI. Otherwise, just because I'm a developer, I spend most of my time in terminals, so that is fairly okay for me. But if you want to have a cool looking UI, then you can basically use Chatbox AI, and then it would be similar to using uh, DeepSeek like this, because you will be getting an additional UI as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.